Selling products on e-commerce platforms, Amazon, eBay, Etsy. Selling products on e-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy can be a profitable business. To sell products on these platforms, you will need to create a seller account, list your products, and manage orders and shipping. You may also need to compete with other sellers, optimize your listings for search, and offer competitive pricing and customer service. It is important to research each platform and understand the fees, regulations, and target audiences to make informed decisions about where to sell your products. How to start, things you need, advantages and disadvantages, and the best places to do it. To start selling products on e-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy, you will need the following. Product to sell. You need to have a product that you want to sell. You can either manufacture your own product or source it from a supplier. A seller account. Create a seller account on the platform you want to sell your product on. This usually involves filling out your personal and business information and setting up a payment method. Listing your products. Once your seller account is set up, you will need to list your products on the platform. This includes writing a product description, adding images, setting a price, and selecting a shipping method. Order management. You will need to manage orders and shipping. This includes processing payment, packing and shipping the product, and communicating with customers. Advantages of selling on e-commerce platforms include reach. Platforms like Amazon and eBay have millions of customers, giving you access to a large market. Convenience. E-commerce platforms provide a ready-made platform for you to sell your products on, reducing the need to build your own website and payment system. Low startup costs. Selling on e-commerce platforms requires minimal upfront costs compared to starting your own e-commerce store. Disadvantages of selling on e-commerce platforms include competition. You may be competing with thousands of other sellers, making it difficult to stand out. Fees. Most e-commerce platforms charge fees, such as a monthly fee or a percentage of each sale, which can cut into your profit margins. Limited control. You may have limited control over the design and functionality of your seller account and product listing. The best places to sell on e-commerce platforms depend on the product you are selling and the target audience you want to reach. For example, if you are selling handmade or vintage items, Etsy may be the best choice, while if you're selling a mass-market product, Amazon may be a better option. It is important to research each platform and understand their target audiences, fees, and regulations to make informed decisions. Where and what is the best things to sell online? The best things to sell online depend on a variety of factors, including market demand, competition, and profit margins. Here are some popular and profitable products to sell online. Health and wellness products. Products like supplements, essential oils, and fitness equipment are in high demand. Personal care products. Products like skin care, hair care, and makeup are popular and have a loyal customer base. Home goods. Home goods, such as kitchen appliances, bedding, and home decor, are always in demand. Technology and electronics. Technology and electronics, such as smartphones, laptops, and wearable devices, are always in demand and can bring in high profit margins. Clothing and accessories. Fashion and style never go out of style, and clothing and accessories can be a profitable niche to sell in. Handmade or unique items. Products that are handmade or unique can be popular and bring in high profit margins. Pet products. Pet products, such as toys, food, and accessories, are a growing market as pet ownership continues to increase. Outdoor gear. Products related to outdoor activities, such as camping, hiking, and biking, can be profitable, especially during the warmer months. It's important to note that what sells best can vary depending on the platform you sell on, your target audience, and the current market trends. Researching your market and conducting competitor analysis can help you determine what products are in high demand and have a good profit margin. How much do you need as a beginner? The amount of money you will need as a beginner to sell products on e-commerce platforms depends on a variety of factors, including the type of products you want to sell, the platform you choose to sell on, and the marketing and advertising methods you plan to use. Here are some common costs to consider. Inventory. You will need to purchase or manufacture your products, and the cost of this will depend on the type of products you're selling. Shipping and handling supplies. You will need to purchase packaging materials and shipping supplies. Platform fees. Most e-commerce platforms charge fees, such as a monthly fee or a percentage of each sale. Marketing and advertising. You may want to invest in marketing and advertising to drive traffic to your listings and increase sales. Legal and accounting. You may need to hire an attorney or accountant to help you with legal and tax requirements. A beginner can expect to spend anywhere from a few $100s to several $1,000s, depending on the size and scope of their business. It's important to have a budget and plan in place to ensure that you have the resources you need to start and grow your business successfully. About how much you expect to make in a month. The amount of money you can expect to make in a month selling products on e-commerce platforms can vary greatly and depends on several factors, such as the type of products you sell, the platform you sell on, your target audience, competition, and marketing and advertising efforts. Here are some factors that can impact your monthly earnings. Sales volume. The number of products you sell each month will directly impact your earnings. Profit margin. The profit margin on each product will determine how much money you make from each sale. Platform fees. Most e-commerce platforms charge fees, such as a monthly fee or a percentage of each sale, which will cut into your profits. Marketing and advertising. Investing in marketing and advertising can help increase your sales and ultimately your earnings. As a beginner, it's difficult to predict exactly how much you can expect to make each month. It's possible to earn anywhere from a few $100s to several $1,000s, depending on the size and scope of your business. It takes time, hard work, and a well-executed business plan to build a successful and profitable e-commerce business,